Hey Cesar, this is a good paper already. You have those examples from the two different cities, or states, sorry, with their different pay levels and their different crime rates. That makes it really concrete. You have really good explanations of why you would take the money from the sources that you propose taking it from, why their military really doesn't need to be as big as it is, and paying the police officers would cost less than paying off the crooks, so that makes a lot of sense. Got good stats and so forth for that. Good work. You asked about in-text citations, so that was a good question to ask. In some places, it's not clear exactly what it is that you're taking out of the source. So, for example, when you say Mexico right off the bat, is that your source for the cost of raising wages? Is that your source for how much the wages should be raised to? Is it the idea that wages should be raised at all? What exactly are you getting from that source? So making it a little clearer when it's the source talking and when it's you talking, that'll help. Similarly, when you have the source that you label defense, is it saying that Mexico doesn't need as much spending? Does it point out who Mexico's allies are? Is that the source that talks about how it doesn't have as much war? Is it all of the above? What is the source trying to argue? So just clarifying these things a little bit will help. And I give you another example here too. All right, so that's the idea. Also add attribution. According to so-and-so, what's going on? You did a great job with that with Semaphoro, so just do similarly for your other sources, especially when they're not peer-reviewed, which gets to the main thing I'm complaining about here. Do feel free to come by and talk, because I didn't see a peer-reviewed source. Now, maybe some of these are, and I just don't know it because I don't speak Spanish, but you don't have the kind of information I would expect for peer-reviewed journals, such as volume and issue number and page numbers and so forth. It kind of looks like you mainly just pulled all this stuff off of the internet, which is a start, but it's not good enough for a research paper. So please work on your sources. For that reason, it's a 3 out of 4. Otherwise, though, this is great work, and I look forward to seeing the next stage.